Hi, welcome to this video. I wanted to just bring this idea to you because it's been one of the most powerful tools for me when it comes to shifting my emotions or shifting any resistance to moving forward when I'm trying to grow myself, when I'm trying to just bring in improvements, change beliefs, and all this kind of stuff that we go through on this journey. Just join in and bring up whatever you're feeling right now. If you're in a place of stress, or if you're not already feeling that way, then bring something up that you know that kind of gets you stuck, and just feel into that feeling right now. So begin tapping on the side of the hand. Find that thing that gets you a little bit stuck. Maybe you feel this heaviness in the body somewhere. And now just notice, does it have a shape? Perhaps it's a triangle, perhaps it's a ball. It could be like a tennis ball with furry edges. Maybe it's like a metal ball bearing with smooth edges. Notice the texture. And notice the size. So tune in to where you see that and feel it, sense it in the body. Notice the shape. Notice the size. Notice the texture. Keep tapping on the side of the hand as we get very clear with this feeling. Do you notice if there's a colour? If not, no worries, there's no problem. There's no right or wrongs here, but just notice, is there a colour? Maybe there's two colours. And now feel into the feeling. Perhaps go into the core of that feeling and notice, what's the emotion? Is it helplessness, anger, frustration, annoyance, sadness? Just notice. Okay, now let's go around all the rest of the points, starting with the eyebrow point. This feeling in my body. This feeling in my body. And also just give it a gauge from 0 to 10. Just imagine 0 is complete peace. And 10 is the most intense version of this feeling you could imagine. Where would you put yourself on this scale? And just acknowledge, and then you can let it go. This feeling in my body. This emotion 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 in my body. This feeling in my body. Now just tune in. Notice, is the shape the same? Is the color the same? Just continue tapping around. Has it changed the texture? How about the emotion? Does it feel a little lighter, more distant? So whatever it is now, just notice what it is this time. And perhaps it's the same, that's okay. Perhaps it's intensified, that's also okay. What we're doing here is getting aware of the feeling, becoming present with it, so that we can let it go. So now notice, let's go on the side of the hand. Let's now notice, is it heavy or light? Is it solid? Or is it hollow? And if there isn't a shape, then what's happening? Is there a movement? Sometimes it's like a cloud, sometimes it's like just a wave and a constant movement of various feelings and energies, and whatever you're feeling right now is perfect. And now once again, what's the emotion? Is it different from before? Perhaps it's the same. Notice that emotion. And then repeat with me, this emotion. 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 And now again, just notice the shape, the size, the color. Keep tapping around. Be very present with that feeling. Have you ever felt this feeling at any other point in your life? Recognize where you may have felt this feeling before. And we'll just keep tapping on this emotion. This emotion. This emotion. This feeling in my body. This feeling in my body. Letting it go. This feeling in my body. Letting it go. This feeling in my body. Letting it go. This feeling in my body. Filling in the space. Filling in the space. You choose what you want to fill in this space with. Perhaps it's peace. Perhaps it's happiness. whatever it is for you, just fill it in. Appreciation. Fill it up with gratitude. Filling in this space. Filling in this space. Filling in this space. Filling in this space. Feeling appreciation. Feeling appreciation. And just allow yourself to feel that. It's a very strong, powerful emotion. This feeling of appreciation. Feeling appreciation. Feeling appreciation. Okay, now just stop tapping and just tune into how you feel now. Notice what you started with when we did that gauge from 0 to 10. Where is the feeling now? Maybe it was a 6 before and now it's dropped to a 3. Maybe it was a 9 and it's dropped to a 1. Whatever it is, just notice. And if anything is still there and you want to do that again, feel free to just go around and revisit this video and let go of whatever is remaining. Thanks for watching and see you soon.